We are going to build an invisible, automated data pipeline. The process starts the moment a visitor submits a contact form on your live Netlify website. That form data then routes into a n8n database and triggers a Telegram text alert on your phone. This sequence replaces manual data entry with a system that handles incoming contacts without human intervention. First, we need to establish a central ledger. We will use a n8n database to store every contact. Configure your database with these specific columns: name, email, message, source, and submitted at. Once the table is ready, go to the connection settings and share the database with your n8n integration. If you skip this step, the automated system will be locked out of the ledger and the data transfer will fail. Second, we configure a Telegram bot to act as your instant messenger. Find the BotFather account in Telegram and follow the prompts to generate a secure bot token. Send a message to your new bot. Then check the Telegram API in your browser to find your numerical chat ID. This ID acts as the exact coordinate for your alerts, ensuring the system knows which device to notify. Next, we will use the n8n automation platform as the central switchboard to accurately route data between all of these independent services. Since n8n is running on your local machine, you must use an HTTPS tunnel to expose it to the public internet so it can receive the Netlify payload. Build your workflow in this order. Start with a webhook, follow it with a set node, and then connect the n8n and Telegram nodes. Use the set node to isolate the name, email, and message variables from the raw incoming data. Finally, open the n8n and Telegram nodes and input the database ID and chat ID you collected earlier. This switchboard now functions as a translator, converting raw website submissions into formatted database entries. Copy your n8n test webhook URL and paste it into the Form Submission Notifications area in your Netlify settings. It is time for our rehearsal. Go to your live website and submit a test contact form. If the setup is correct, n8n will catch the data, create a row in n8n, and text your phone. Pay attention to any errors. Netlify will disable the outgoing webhook if it encounters repeated failures. A successful test confirms that your platforms are communicating correctly as a single functional machine. To go live, swap the n8n test webhook URL in your Netlify settings for the production URL. Switch the workflow toggle to active in n8n so the system stays ready for real traffic. You have now automated the administrative side of your website and eliminated the need for manual data entry. Every new form submission now flows directly into your contact database, allowing you to review your leads the moment they arrive.